This is Dave Espino, and welcome to eBay Hacks, the Listing Hacks edition. In this edition of eBay Hacks, you're going to learn all kinds of advanced and creative ways to crush your competition on eBay and dramatically improve your sales on eBay. In the last 14 years of being a power seller on eBay, I've discovered so many ways to improve my sales, and I can't wait to share them with you. So let's get started. What are listing hacks? Listing hacks are little extra things you can do to all your listings. Each one of these things by themselves can improve your competitive advantage, but when you add them all up in one listing, you'll see massive advantage and you'll easily crush your competition on eBay. So where are listing hacks most effective? Well, listing hacks are always effective. No matter where you use them and on which listings you use them, they're always going to be effective and they're always going to help you. But when you use them on listings where you have a lot of the same item, or on good till canceled listings which go on for a long time, then they really give you an advantage. This is due to the way eBay rewards listings that have better sell-through rates and longer-term positive sales results. As the listing continues to show great results, these hacks will give it more ranking power. So why apply these listing hacks? Well, one of the ways you can combat listing fee increases, shipping cost increases, and other restrictive policies is to run your eBay business lean and mean and run it at the highest competitive level possible. And so this means using every advantage possible within the rules. That's what these hacks are. They're little legal advantages you can use right now to improve sales. So let me tell you a little bit about the philosophy of listing hacks. First, we have the principle of slight edge. And this principle just simply means that in everything you do, you always want to have a slight edge over your competition. You always want to do things a little bit better, and over time you do enough of these things a little bit better and you're going to end up being a lot better. The other principle is from Tony Robbins. It's constant and never-ending improvement. You always want to be improving your eBay listings, your eBay business in general. And it's all about generating higher profits. So I hope you're excited to get started with eBay Hacks, Listing Hacks.